In a bold expression of its commitment to youth leadership and equitable access to opportunity, the Daria Adeboye Foundation, in partnership with the Ogun State government, convened over 2,000 students from more than 100 secondary schools across the state for the inaugural Ogun Secondary School Model United Nations. This landmark event, held in celebration of Children's Day 2025, provided a powerful platform for secondary school learners to engage with global issues through the lens of diplomacy, innovation, and youth-led transformation. Guided by the theme, Technology and Innovation for Youth Empowerment, the model UN stimulated real-world General Assembly sessions, enabling students to role-play as international delegates, debating pressing global issues, proposing policy solutions, and developing the leadership and public speaking skills critical for 21st century impact.
State Commissioner has transformed Ogun State's education. He has bringing the technology and innovation into the system. That the system and activities has been digitalized to the extent that all schools are keying into it. And it has taken the system of education and transforming it better than before.
This is keeping Daria Adeboye's legacy alive. He has always been someone who is passionate for children, for youth, he believes so much in Nigerian youth as the leaders and future of this nation and even globally. And this is a dream that I want to continue with. He basically passed on the baton to us, and it is our duty to make sure it keeps going. It's alive. It's we are making impact in the lives of these youths. I believe every child is a leader. They just need a bit of motivation and channeling towards seeing themselves as leaders. So yes, for the children, just keep being you. See yourself as the leader, and the sky is your limit.
Youth empowerment is very key to us. It's something we are taking very seriously. We need to empower youths and also prepare them to take over. We are also deeply involved in scholarship programs, empowering the children so they can be well entrenched in their various areas, and also the area of clean water, the area of environmental protection. We are so hot on it. It's all part of the verticals that the Daria Adeboye Foundation represents.